But welcome to Tuesday at 2 Live. Tuesday at 2. I want to tell you what's working now in real estate. I'm in Washington, D.C., and the market is crazy, insane, meaning people are buying, there are multiple offers, we're getting huge prices, and I want to give you one little secret, which is in staging, there are many stages of staging. And why is it important to put furniture in your house? All right, staging is paint, clean, repair, garden, trash, give away, throw away, and furniture. Staging is making your house look as good as you possibly can. So every once in a while we have a situation where for some reason we can't get that done, or the owner just doesn't want all that going on in their home, which in their eyes and their mind is beautiful to begin with. So I'm going to give you a quick example. Last week I had one of those houses. Owner lived in the house for 50 some years, and they don't think that the bedrooms had been painted since their kids moved out 20 some years ago, right? So the walls didn't look so good. The floors had stains all over them. The windows were actually painted shut for security. There are cobwebs in between the windows. Would I like to take the whole thing, turn it upside down, shake it out, clean it up, put furniture in it? Sure. But what I did is I looked at it and I said, okay, it's got really beautiful rooms, nice room sizes, the yard is pretty. So what we did is we opened up all the windows, we ripped everything off the windows. We cleaned the house from top to bottom. We put furniture in the house. What does the furniture do? Two things. Number one, people shop online. They look at pictures online. Do you ever look at a vacant property and you're clicking through the photographs? What are you looking at? You're looking at walls. How homey does it feel? How inviting does it feel? It really doesn't. I had 63 showings on this house between Friday and Sunday because this house was well priced, great location, and it had furniture in it. So when you're clicking through the rooms, you could see, what does the living room look like? What does it feel like? Where will my things fit? How is this room used? Then it got everyone in the door. And once they came in the door, you know how important first impressions are? First impression, you open the door, you see the sun shining in the windows, and you feel the use of the space. So furniture is very important if you want to get top dollar. Spend a little bit of money, get some furniture, take nice pictures, and give a first impression. Need help with that? What you should do, what you should not do, should you, shouldn't you, call me, call Marjorie Dick Stuart. I can give you all those answers and also get the job done for you. 240-731-8079. Marjorie Dick Stuart. Thanks for watching Real Estate Live today, Tuesday at 2. See you next week. Don't forget to tell your friends.